Hello everyone, this is Jack. Well, in this video I'm going to cover everything on why you should always keep chickens. Now if you have some area on the side of your garden or in your backyard, you should always consider keeping chickens if your county or your city allows for you to do so. Now, here's why.
Now here the chickens taking a dust bath right there, just enjoying a simple life.
But first of all, chickens will get rid of the weeds for you. Now, any area that you want cleared, you can fence it in and keep the chickens there. And there won't be a single blade of grass in that area. Let me show you. Let's look at all of this area, the fenced area that I have right here. There's not a single weed or a single blade of grass in here, as compared to all the weeds that are around the trees on the other side of the fence. Now you do need a fenced-in area for your chickens, because if you let the chickens loose in your garden, they will destroy your entire garden and they will eat all the plants. So keep the chickens in a fenced area, and sometimes these chickens will get out of the fenced area too, like this one.
Well, look at that chicken. Where did that come from? Well, sometimes these chickens get out and Lily helps to round them up.
Come on, Lily, go! Go! Good girl. Now Lily also rounds chicken up and puts them inside the fence as well. Now as soon as I give her the command, she'll round them up and I'll open up the fence, and then she will escort the chickens inside the fence. Come on, Lily, go! Go! Good girl. Good girl.
Well, the chickens and ducks are busy eating. And look at Lily. Now she will wait there right outside the fenced area and wait for me to give her the command to come in. She will not come in by herself. Now ever since she was little, I taught her that these chickens are ours and she needs to respect their space, and she does. So let me call her in. Lily, come on! See, now she is in. Now Lily considers all these chickens and ducks as a part of its own pack, so she never hurts them. She's always protecting these chickens and the ducks.
Now Lily will not let a hawk, a coyote, or a fox, or even a raccoon or a possum get near chickens. Right, Lily? Yeah, she's right. Always on the job, patrolling and keeping all the critters away. Good girl. Yeah, she's a very good girl. Now you can feed all the kitchen scraps to your chickens. Now anything that comes out of the kitchen, such as banana peels, any kitchen waste, you can feed it to your chickens and they will convert it to eggs. Let me show you when I feed these to the chickens what they do. Well, right when I put out these kitchen scraps, look at all of these chickens gather right in this area and they're just going nuts for them. So whenever you mow your grass, you can use all of the grass clippings and all the weeds in the grass clippings and feed them to your chickens. Chickens love the greens, and it also helps to improve the quality of eggs as well. Now chickens are really good at getting rid of all the pests as well. Now if you want to get rid of bugs such as squash bugs and all the other pests in your garden, including earwigs and pill bugs, chickens are perfect birds to keep to get rid of them. They will scratch the bark, they scratch the wood chips, and find all the earwigs and pill bugs and eat them up. I also keep pieces of plywood in my chicken area, and bugs hide under these plywoods. So when I remove the plywood, chickens find the bugs right under the area of the plywood. I also keep wood chips for my chickens, because wood chips provide shelter to lots of bugs, and these chickens will go through the wood chips and get rid of all the bugs. So it's a really good practice to keep chickens in an area, in a fenced-in area, where you're going to plant your next crop. So they will get rid of all the weeds and get rid of all the pests, so they can prepare the entire area for you to plant. Now guess what? Chicken droppings make a really good fertilizer. So not only they will prepare the ground for you, they will also fertilize the garden beds for you as well. Now another reason for having chickens is that chickens will actually turn your compost pile. So if you make compost at home, you know you have to turn your compost pile every 3 to 4 days. However, if you have chickens will actually do it for you. That way, you don't have to keep turning your compost pile. This video is sponsored by MIXUN. Now MIXUN makes this automatic chicken coop door opener. It's very easy to install. All you have to do is create an opening and then use the screws to fasten this onto your opening. Make sure you use a hand screwdriver and not use a screw drill. This MIXUN chicken coop door opener has a really good light sensor. So when the sun rises in the morning, it automatically opens, and when the sun sets at night, it automatically closes. Now this chicken coop door opener works on batteries and is self-contained, and you don't need to buy any additional accessories to make it work. Now, if you're interested in this automatic chicken coop door opener, I'll leave a link to this product in the description of this video. Now, the second best part of keeping chickens is the eggs. I'm going to keep the best part for the last, but let me show you what kind of eggs they lay and what they're like.
Check it out. Well, there's the chicken right there. What is it doing? Hey, did you give me any eggs today? Check this out. 3 nice eggs in there, and these eggs taste much better and looks much better than the grocery store eggs.
Now, the grocery store eggs have a yellow yolk. Now, these eggs have a really bright orange yolk. That's because we give them a lot of greens. We give them grass, weeds that we pull out, that all goes to the chickens, and chickens devour all the green stuff. They also free range. They get to enjoy lots of bugs, kitchen scraps, and lots of good food as well, and that's why their yolk is much healthier. The eggs that you get from your own chickens taste way better and richer than any store-bought eggs I've ever had. Now let me add something, especially during this existential crisis. Keeping chickens is an excellent idea. Don't worry about the economics of keeping chickens. There are many other benefits to keeping chickens. Keeping chickens is the best investment, and above all, chickens are absolutely fantastic. The best part of keeping chickens is the company. Now these chickens, they're really smart. Now a lot of people think that chickens are really dumb or they're not very intelligent. These chickens are highly intelligent. Once I got 4 little chickens from my neighbor, and one of the little guys were chirping, probably asking for its mom. So about a month later, when I was free ranging all my chickens and I let them be outside on its own, it made its way all the way back to my neighbor. That's about 1,500 feet away, and it's found its way. I don't know how, but these chickens, they do know more than what we think. Now you can keep chickens in your backyard and you can listen to their chirp, and it's very soothing. It's really good for your mental health. You can keep a seat right next to their coop and just watch them. They're very entertaining too. And yes, you can have chickens as pet, and they make excellent pets as well. And you can come up to you and you can pet them as well. If you raise them from babies, they are very friendly with you. All you have to do is just feed them, water them, and when they're little baby chickens, you have to provide them with heat. And they only need heat for about first 2 to 3 months. However, they are really cute and really fun to have. I've had chickens just fall asleep right in front of my eyes, and that's the best experience you can have. It's such a calm and soothing experience that it's really hard to explain. It's really something that you need to experience for yourself. Lily, come here. Sit. So Lily's back. Lily, over there. You want to say hello to the subscribers? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you loved watching chickens, and especially Lily in this video. And Lily says hello too. Come on, Lily, say hello. There you go. And I'll see you in another video.